Hello everyone and welcome back to our newest video. With you as always, me, Virus, and this time I'm saying hi from France, where we came to provide GSWF bronze certification training. Training will be held here at AdForme company, and I would like to show you our setup. So let's go inside. Here we're gonna have our presentation where we're gonna talk about GSWF paint protection film products, because at the moment they have 39 different options: clear PPF, satin PPF, matte PPF, headlight tint PPF, as well colored PPF. You should check swatch book. As well, I bring as many tools as possible just to show guys different options, different tools, different blades, different knife, different squeegees or cutting plate, ping plate, where we can practice our cutting skills. Where I lived for 8 years. So by accident I found GSWF. The gel, you apply it, it starts to stick straight away, and if you have any dust particle into the film, you're gonna leave some blue marks if you want to lift and remove the dust particle.
Je les ai mieux sentis avec ça avant.
It's very soft, it's soft. I need the medium or hard. It's PPF, so I will do this fast example. Because when I used to travel a lot and work for different companies to use different products. One squeegee I will use, for example, on Suntech, other squeegee on body. So because this one works better with this product, this one works better with that product. So keep in mind that if you switch the product, maybe you need to check for new tools. Same issues with color change wraps, where is no gap for vibrations getting pushed out. And this is going to be our guide where to cut. Because I have both, I use spray. Oh, it's bending lines. Like, bro, don't leave this gap on the film or store your roll very tight. This is a bit loose, problem.
Bizarre, il va manquer le pied comme moi, mais je fais comme ça. Ah, tu vois?
We did like X5, every single panel we had extra 5 millimeters or 1 centimeter. So yeah, light will be off, it's gonna be wrapped. It's off, that's it.
Yes, but we have the single PDF or top coat, and this is
Some branding is more difficult to cut.
Yeah.
In French, it's normal.